Scene script. Ever wondered about the secret language of the markets? Ever heard about the concept of smart money chart patterns? Welcome to a journey that will help you decipher the enigma of smart money chart patterns, a concept that has been a game changer for many seasoned traders around the globe. First things first. What are these smart money chart patterns? Think of them as a kind of financial Morse code, a secret language used by the big players in the market. These patterns indicate where the so-called smart money, or institutional investors, are putting their cash. Step 1. Understanding the basics. Smart money chart patterns are a type of technical analysis tool used to predict future market trends. They are based on the idea that certain price movements form identifiable patterns that traders can use to predict future price movements. Moving on to step 2, recognizing the patterns. There are numerous patterns to be aware of, but let's focus on the three most common ones: head and shoulders, double top, and double bottom. The head and shoulders pattern indicates a reversal signal, suggesting that a stock's price is set to drop. Conversely, the double top pattern suggests that the price has hit a high point and is likely to drop, while the double bottom pattern suggests that the price has hit a low point and is likely to increase. Step 3. Applying the patterns. Once familiar with these patterns, the next step is to use them to make trading decisions. This involves careful observation of the market, patience, and discipline. Remember, these patterns are not a guarantee of success, but rather a tool to help predict potential market movements. Step 4. Practicing the application. This step is all about practice. Use a virtual trading account to get comfortable with spotting and applying these patterns without the risk of losing real money. And finally, Step 5. Continuous learning. The world of trading is ever evolving, and so should your knowledge. Stay up to date with market trends and continue to learn about new patterns. To summarize, smart money chart patterns are a powerful tool for predicting market trends. They involve understanding the basics, recognizing the patterns, applying them in trading, practicing their application, and continuously learning. Remember, the key to successful trading lies not just in understanding these patterns, but also in disciplined application and continuous learning. So, embark on this journey of understanding the secret language of the markets, and let the smart money chart patterns guide your way to successful trading. That's it for today's journey into the world of smart money chart patterns. Until next time, keep those charts on your screen and your eyes on the market.